In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure project settings in Lovable. To get started, go to the Lovable website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the specific project you want to configure. This is important because project settings are managed individually, so any changes you make will apply only to the project you currently have open. After entering the project, look for the project menu and click Project Settings. This is the main area where you can manage how your app is identified, how it behaves, and how it connects to other tools or services. If you're new to this section, take a moment to review what's available before changing anything. That quick overview can help you avoid missing a useful option. You'll usually see settings such as the project name, description, and other configuration options. Start by reviewing these details carefully. Keeping your project name clear and your description accurate can make the project easier to manage, especially if you're working on multiple apps or returning to it later after some time away. Next, update your project details as needed. Make sure the information reflects the current purpose of your app. Small updates here can improve organization and make collaboration smoother if other people also need to understand the project quickly. If your project uses external services, continue by configuring integrations, environment variables, and deployment settings where applicable. These areas are especially important for making sure your project runs correctly across different environments. As you work here, be careful with sensitive values and only enter what's necessary. Double-check each field so your app has the correct connections and configuration. If you're collaborating with a team, adjust team access and permissions as needed. This helps ensure the right people can view, edit, or manage the project without giving broader access than necessary. Good permission management is a simple but important part of keeping a project organized and secure. Once you've finished making your updates, save your changes. Don't skip this step because your edits won't take effect unless they're saved properly. After saving, test your project